Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Goals feature in Asana step by step. Asana Goals helps you connect your team's daily work to bigger company objectives, so everyone stays aligned and focused. So let's get started. First, open Asana in your web browser and sign in to your account. From your main dashboard, look at the left sidebar and scroll down until you find Goals. Click on Goals to open the Goals dashboard. Now you'll see an option to create a new goal. Click Create Goal to begin. Start by giving your goal a clear name, such as Improve Product Performance or Increase Customer Retention. Next, set the goal type. You can choose between company goals, team goals, or individual goals depending on your structure. After that, define the time frame. This could be quarterly, monthly, or custom dates based on your planning cycle. Now add a measurable target. This is important because goals in Asana should always be trackable, such as increase signups by 20% or reduce bug reports by 30%. Once your goal is created, you can start linking projects and tasks to it. Click Add Project or Link Work and choose the relevant projects that contribute to this goal. This allows Asana to automatically track progress based on task completion inside those projects. Next, you can assign an owner to the goal so someone is responsible for tracking and updating progress. You can also add key results to break the goal into smaller, measurable outcomes. As tasks are completed in linked projects, Asana will automatically update the progress bar for your goal. This gives you a real-time view of how close you are to achieving your objective. You can also view all your goals in one place to see how different teams are contributing to company-wide targets. Finally, make sure to share your goals with your team so everyone stays aligned and accountable. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the Goals feature in Asana. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.